about fonts from different sources in Linux. So first we get to the Google fonts that from Google. So let's make the directory, and so now we are in the directory. So we are going to unzip. So as we currently don't have any of the above fonts, as most of the fonts will be user share font directory. So I'll share all the commands in the description. So now it's checking all the fonts. So I want to check for the font. Now this is the second method, typecatcher, which is a GUI utility from which we can install and uninstall the fonts. It is called typecatcher. If you don't like to work in the command line. Now we comes to the third part of the video, which is Microsoft Core fonts. Now we are going to install all the as we can see we have to accept it. Now it's installing all the commands. While that is installing, we are going to see the typecatcher. So if I want to install this font, so just click on this button, download, and it will be installed. As we can see, if I want to uninstall, I just hit the button to uninstall. So like I want to search for the other fonts, all these will be installed if you want to. So this is the typecatcher, which is a GUI method. Now as we have applied this Microsoft code, which is in process, it will take some time. As we can see, it has been installed. So now we have installed this core command. We can see that we search for TimesNewRoman. It's available in the core Microsoft core command fonts. So now we want to install it from the Windows ISO. So as we don't have that ISO, so if we have Windows, we can install from the ISO also. So in this video we learn how to install fonts via the command prompt, and also using typecatcher, which is a GUI utility, and the third one is from the Microsoft Core Fonts installer. Thank you for watching.